this is Mavi. Today I'm gonna share my super fast makeup and it's gonna be super easy too. So if that's something that you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so I got you a little closer. The first thing that I like to do is actually neutralize my lids because I do have some redness and I do have some discoloration right there, and I like them to be even, right? So what I do is basically that. I just put concealer on my eyes and just move the concealer around this area only. Next, I like to powder just so I can remove any excess of oil, and this is ready for the eyeliner. I do have a whole dedicated video to show you how I do my eyeliner, like 4 techniques, and this technique is the one that I show you first in that video that I was telling you about, just adding eyeliner on the rim, the inner rim of your eye. So you can leave it here. As you can see, my eyes are wide open now, and you can add mascara and you're done with your eyes. But I want to add, because I want to make it realistic, and this is what I do. I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner here at the very end of my eye, and I'm just gonna place my paper, and I'm going to smudge this. This is what I like to do. Sometimes I like to create more wind, sometimes I like to keep it short. This time, because it's kind of natural my look, so I want to keep it short, the wind. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And you're gonna compare both of them. See if they look alike. And if they don't, if one is longer than the other one, then you can always correct it. Okay, so as you can see, my eyes, they look fully awake now. You don't need to do the wing if you don't want to. I'm gonna grab quickly my bronzer, and I'm just gonna grab a blender brush. This one is a worker, and I'm just gonna place my bronzer. If you have a brown shadow, like a natural brown shadow, that might work too. But since I'm on a rush, I don't have time to think, to pick, so I just always grab my bronzer. Remember, I'm not adding a lot of bronzer in this area, I'm just keeping it here, and that's what I like to do. So I'm going to apply quickly one layer of mascara, because to me, mascara needs to be applied at least 2 or 3 layers. One is not enough. But the trick with layering your mascara is letting it dry a little bit. So I want to apply this layer first, so when I go with the second, it's already a little bit dry, so it's good. Alright, so I'm happy with this. Next, because I don't have time to pick any foundation, I'm just going to grab my concealer. So I'm just going to put concealer around my face, and I'm just going to blend it quickly. Now you need like a big brush. This one from Synergy is amazing. It allows you to really run it through your face really quickly, especially because you don't have enough time, right? So you just going really fast, and because it's a light application, like you're not applying too much, it's forgiven. When you apply a lot, you have more opaque color, so you need to be really careful how you apply it, because you want it to blend all over your skin. But when you have a light, when you hydrate your skin and then you apply like a light concealer or like a lightweight foundation, it's more forgiving. I'm gonna go back to my bronzer, my brush, and I'm just gonna run it underneath. I like to create this depth. I think it also helps you when you're tired, because it kind of hides your dark circles. Next, I'm going to bronze my skin, and I'm grabbing this brush, like a big fluffy brush, so like this one for instance, and I'm just going to quickly bronze my face. I like to bronze my temples right here, and I like to add a little bit more dimension to my cheeks. Now I'm not being super precise where I apply my bronzer. I just want like a wash of color. I I just want to look healthy. I want to bring dimension to my skin because it looks flat when you just have one color. Also, I'm gonna grab again my brush, and why not, I'm gonna contour a little bit my nose, and I show you this in another video too. So, and I'm just gonna run it now with my brush that I set my eyes. I'm gonna quickly diffuse this because this is the part that people are gonna see the most, your nose. So you want it to be really natural. So I'm gonna make sure this is very blended. Then now that I'm here, I'm going to set some areas of my face. I like to set here, I like to set here, and I like to set here. I'm going to grab a pencil brush, and I'm going to grab whatever highlighter you have. So this one is the one that I'm using, and this is my pencil brush, and I'm gonna add light here. So I like to bring some light here. And if you want, if you have a lighter eyeshadow, you can add it with your finger. If you don't have it, or you don't want to think you're in a rush, you can grab your highlighter and place it all over this part, so you bring the light right here. As you can see, I'm not being very detailed where I apply it, just here, and I make sure this part is also very highlighted. I'm just gonna grab this highlighter again, and I'm just gonna run it through my highest point. You don't need to do this. I like to do this because I think the skin looks more healthy. Now remember about the mascara. Now it's time to add another layer, or a couple layers, whatever you want. And I feel confident because most of my makeup is almost done. If you want, you can add here mascara, so it looks more open your eyes. Finally, we're gonna add your favorite lipstick. I like to add this vibrant. You can do more like a nude color, you can do more like a red, more like a pinkish. I want to do this one. This one is Coachella Coral, I think it is, from Tilbury. And I'm just gonna use this brush to do that, and then I'm gonna bring out my cheeks right like this. I'm gonna bring it on my cheeks like this. So it looks even more cohesive and put together. Don't forget to add a little bit in those areas, like the forehead, because you also get sunburn in those areas. So don't forget to add blush there, here. And you see now the lipstick doesn't look too bright. So I think this trick is very cool because, again, you don't have time, you don't want to think about it, right? Alright, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I mean, to me, this is a super easy makeup. All you need is to pick your favorite products, your favorite mascara, your favorite concealer, your favorite bronzer, and so on. And you're gonna get this makeup super fast. This is the makeup that I usually do when I'm on the go, and this is the makeup I also do when I'm on a trip or vacation time because I don't want to spend too much time doing my makeup. So this is what I do. It's super natural, it's super feminine because it's glowy, you can see skin, and the great thing about this makeup as well is that it can completely change if you change your lipstick. So let's say if you pick like a more brownish or reddish or even pink lipstick and you apply it on your cheeks as well, like I show you, the whole look is gonna completely change. So this is a nice makeup. Right now I use this corally lipstick, that's why my makeup looks very summery. Also, don't forget to check my other video on the eyeliner techniques. I show you 4 techniques, and it's gonna be easier for you to understand when I did this. I mean, I already been doing it for so many years. I'm pretty sure you can do it too because the technique is super easy. I really hope I help you to learn new techniques to do your makeup super fast, super easy. I love to share everything with you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Don't forget to like and share with someone. That will help me to create more content in the future. And I will see you until the next video. Bye bye.